Alright guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at the toolpath optimization for RouterCAM. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos, and we also have daily updates. Otherwise, back in the program here, so just a quick reminder, this is a mini-series on the RouterCAM features, and I will leave relevant links in the description so you guys can follow along. Now for the actual two-path operation, or optimization, my apologies, what this does is, if you have a design created, this thing will optimize it so it takes the shortest route for cutting and not in the layer or the order you've created. So the example, let's say I'm creating things I want to drill. So I'll create one here, another one next to it. Okay, excuse the not lining up. Now I'm going to go one far the other side and then one here. So in most programs, what it will do now, unless you've set it up to be optimized, it will drill this one, next one, furthest one, and come back. And that slows down the production. So now if I select all of these, I click drilling, I'm going to leave everything as it is and say OK. Then let's generate a code quick. I'll go into my 3D viewport, and now as we can see, it comes down, drills the first one, shortest path, second, third, fourth. Obviously if I had to move this one, let's say this, make it a little bit closer than the rest, we generate it again. Okay, I've got no idea why. Oh, this one is doesn't have a job set to it anymore. Let's try that, generate it. Now it's actually going to the last one, but that's because it's a different job. So let's quickly remove this one. We'll delete both of these and just reset them up as one process. So say OK, generate. Now we can see over there, so obviously unless it's another job or another process, it will go this one, that one, then jumps to the closest and then the furthest one. So that is very convenient that it automatically does it for you, and it saves you a lot of time in the overall production. But otherwise, we head here to softwaretraining.co.za. You guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover, and you can also isolate your search here on the top right. If you do not, however, find the training videos you're looking for, just simply go here, request a training video, fill in the mini form, then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.